It's here. Let's go see what's inside. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sharon here with Goth Lady Artistry. So today I have just a small Michaels haul to show you. I was a little bored yesterday, did some online shopping, and had my stuff delivered because I didn't have a way up to the store yesterday, so. But you know what, it probably saved me money in the long run because when I go to the store and walk around, I buy way too much stuff. So let's get right into it. So first, I have these 8x8" cradled art wood panels. I was actually looking for 8x8" stretched canvas, but they didn't have any at my local Michaels, so I just bit the bullet and paid a little bit extra for these. But it's a 6-pack, they're wood. I think these will be great, actually. It wouldn't be the first time I've poured on wood. I do wood stuff pretty often because my dad is a woodworker. That's his hobby. It's been his hobby forever. But he constantly gives me pieces of scrap wood and stuff to mess around with. So I'm familiar. And I think these will be great. I'll definitely be using these in an upcoming video, so stay tuned for that. And then, yeah, not much I need to say about these. They're wood canvases, basically. Okay, and then finally, we have pouring paints. Like I said, this is just a mini haul. I didn't go crazy yesterday because I do generally spend way too much money at Michaels. And my husband always makes little remarks to me, so I figured I'd keep it simple this time. So I picked up 4 bottles of Artist Loft Ready Mix pouring paints. I got aqua green, magenta deep, violet, and orange. I wasn't sure if these had like a fancy name or not, but they don't. So I just like to have these on hand for when I'm feeling lazy and don't feel like mixing my own paints. These work great for stuff like that. Some people say that these are too thin, but I have not had that issue. I think these are actually pretty thick for what they are. They're definitely thinner than like the paint I mix myself, but they work well. They work well for like tree ring pours and puddle pours and stuff. Maybe not so great for flip cups. You generally want your paint to be pretty thick for a flip cup, but all in all, I find these are great to have on hand. They're a little pricey at $15 a bottle, but I did use a 25% off coupon plus a $5 reward point coupon. So these actually came out to about $10.40 a bottle for me yesterday. So compared to the $60 I would have spent, I spent $40 on them. That's not too bad. So when you're shopping from Michaels, always keep an eye out for coupons and open up an account where you can gain reward points. Those are incredibly beneficial. So I'm actually probably going to do a video using all of my Artist Loft pouring paints pretty soon, so keep an eye out for that. But yeah, that's it for this video, keeping it short and sweet. If you enjoy content like this, give this video a thumbs up and consider giving it a share. That really helps spread the word for my channel. And please subscribe to my channel if you like my content. I post pretty consistently. I would just really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye.